Imagine waking up, and instead of rushing, you let the day unfold with clarity. Your breath is steady, your mind is clear, your energy is grounded. This is not about having a perfect morning. It's about beginning your day with intention, so your mind remembers that it belongs to you, not to the noise of the world. Let's explore 7 gentle morning habits that help rewire the brain for focus, calm, and deeper presence. 1. Light before screens. When you first wake up, open your curtains or step outside. Let natural light touch your eyes. This sends a signal to your brain's internal clock. It's time to awaken. It boosts mood, alertness, and stabilizes your energy through the day. Screens confuse your brain into thinking it's still nighttime. So give yourself light first. Clarity starts here. 2. Hydrate. Your brain. Your brain is mostly water. When you wake up, your body is naturally dehydrated, even if you don't feel thirsty. Before coffee, before breakfast, drink a full glass of water with a pinch of sea salt and lemon. This wakes the mind softly, without stress. 3. Move slowly. First, you don't need a workout, just movement. Stretch your arms, roll your shoulders, breathe into your chest. This tells your nervous system, today does not have to be rushed. You are allowed to begin gently. 4. 2 minutes of stillness. Sit. Close your eyes. Just breathe. There is no right way to meditate. There is only noticing. Notice your breath. Notice the room. Notice the quiet. Stillness teaches the brain that silence is safe. 5. 1 clear intention. Pick one sentence that shapes your day. Not a to-do list, just direction. Today, I choose to move slowly. Today, I choose to listen to myself. Today, I choose to focus on one thing. Write it down. The brain likes simplicity. 6. A nourishing first bite. What you eat first influences your mood, energy, and clarity. Choose something that supports your mind. A smoothie with greens, cacao, chia seeds, almond butter. Feed your brain before you feed your cravings. 7. Protect the first hour. No scrolling, no reacting, no chasing notifications. The world can wait. This is your hour, your space, your mind. When you give yourself to yourself first, your entire day aligns differently. A calm closing. If this resonated with you, take 1 slow breath and subscribe. Not to do more, not to hustle harder, but to remember, your life is something you get to shape, one morning at a time.